I guess I wasn't feeling too good earlier. Well, I feel better now. Alright, so I've made a lot of hovercraft before, but usually my hovercraft use an atmospheric thruster, which is, the most sensible way to operate a hovercraft. But I was thinking on how to make a hovercraft that doesn't require a thruster. Well, I'm gonna show you guys some of the experiments. Alright, so this one exploit the fact that the wheels tend to oscillate when they are moving. So, if I start moving, it's even though the wheels are vertical because they are touching each other, well, you guys can see what's happening here. And if I reduce the friction, this will basically turn into, slidey hovercraft mode here. This is obviously not the most reliable method of transport or propulsion. You should just use an atmospheric thruster, honestly. But if you don't want to use a thruster, maybe you want to save as much fuel as possible or whatever, then just using two wheels like this can work as well. Here, I'm gonna increase the friction again, and we're basically gonna be stopping. There you go. So that's the first one. Just ignore these ones. And there's so many failed experiments. Hold on. Oh, there we go. So on this one, rather than using thrusters, we are using the wheels on the we are using the wheels on the side there to stop and propel the hovercraft. So when we want to move forward, we start accelerating using the wheels like that, and when we want to go into slidey mode, we just use the bottom wheel. And well, because it has zero friction, we will basically be saving fuel that way. And if we want to stop, we just touch the ground again with the wheel and reverse the direction. So this is basically like that one weird vehicle that people used to use. It was like, a belly skateboard kind of thing. I forget what it's called. Again, this is not the most efficient way of generating propulsion on space engineers, but if you really want to have a hovercraft that doesn't use thrusters, then this is another way of how you can do it. Alright, time for the ultimate test of this technology. I'm actually pretty confident that we can survive this downhill slide here. Alright, here it goes. Come on. Alright, keep going. I just gotta make sure the ground doesn't touch the non-wheel part down there. Alright, here's the ultimate test. Can we survive this 100 meters per second? Oh, impact. That's amazing. Alright, we're still going down. There's some trees there. This might be dangerous. We survive. The safety mechanism work. Oh. Alright. Oh, tree. Alright. How do I stop? Hold on. Let me try to get on a flat ground, and I'm gonna touch the ground with the side wheels. Oh, this is a nice place actually. I'm gonna GPS this place. Nice place. Alright, can we stop? Well, as you guys can see there, this is probably the safest way to travel on Space Engineer's trademark. Alright, you guys know what's coming next. Oh, that's amazing. It can actually survive side impact as well. Crazy. Alright, but weapons. Alright, so with this vehicle, you can attack an enemy or enemies from unexpected directions. Can we... how do I... Maybe something more sensible, like this direction. Alright, here goes. Come on, I'll land. I guess it cannot really survive direct vertical drop like that. Well, we're gonna continue with the attack anyway. Here it goes. Come on. The artillery touched the ground there. Hold on. Alright, this will be the one. Here it goes. Come on. Let's roll. Hahaha. And we're gonna enter hovercraft mode here. Alright. Fire. Oh. Alright. Dodge the enemy fire. Change direction. We're still reloading. Alright, we got another shot. Almost there. Wait, almost there. Yeah. Well, you know, it's not great for combat purpose, but that's why for combat you use your ships and not weird hovercraft. Say, those are some ways to create hovercraft without thrusters on Space Engineers. It's gonna take a while to get there like this. I actually used to do something like this to my friend's base when I first started playing Space Engineers multiplayer.